Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 common mistakes that new English speakers make that you probably make and you can fix today. Without further ado, let's get started into the video. If you've ever said something along the lines of "he go to school" or "I'm agree," you're not alone. Millions, billions of new English speakers make these mistakes, but you'll learn exactly how to avoid them. So grab a notebook and a pen and jot these notes down to sound more like a natural English speaker. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Subject-verb agreement. He go to school every day or he goes to school every day. This is one of the biggest mistakes that new English speakers make. So, how to avoid this? So you need to know that S is only added when there is a third person singular. So, for example, I, you, we, they, no S. They play football. He, she, it. He plays football. She plays football. It plays football. Quick exercise. Repeat after me. I work. You work. They work. He works. She works. It works. If you just keep practicing this out loud, this would just really help in itself. And I will also be posting videos on how to structure sentences, so make sure to have your notifications on and the subscribe button pressed as well so you don't miss anything. Mistake number 2, prepositions. Some people might say, I'm married with her. I'm married to her is the right response. Prepositions are tricky because they don't always translate directly. I'm waiting you. I'm waiting for you. She's good in English. She's good at English. Countable versus uncountable nouns. Is it she gave me an advice or is it she gave me advice? She gave me an advice is the correct one. In English, some nouns are uncountable. For example, advice, furniture, homework, information. You cannot use a or an with these. The correct way to say these is she gave me some advice. I need some information. I bought some furniture. Wrong versions would be an advice, a furniture, or a information. These don't make sense. A quick tip for that would be if you cannot make it plural, for example, advices, informations, it's wrong to make it plural. So that means you don't add a or an. They're uncountable. Mistake number 4. I have car. No, that would be the wrong thing to say. The right thing would be to say I have a car. Articles are small, a and the, but they're very important. Use a and for general things and use the for more specific things. For example, I saw a dog in the park. It could be any dog in the park. It's not a specific dog. It's not a very important dog. The dog was in the park. There was a specific dog that was in the park. It couldn't be any dog. It was that dog. Another example, I bought phone is wrong. I bought a phone is I just bought a phone. It could be any phone. The phone was very expensive. The, as in that phone that I bought was very expensive. In this scenario, you will never be able to say a phone was very expensive. It could be any phone that was very expensive. That's not right. A little tip for that would be if you're talking about something for the very first time, use a an. But if you've talked about something before, use the, like I've said before. Mistake number 5, direct translations from your native language into English. Please don't do that, because most of the time the direct translations, they won't make sense, or you would have a wrong sentence structure. So the best thing would be to learn how to form sentences and then construct those sentences together. For example, a very common mistake is when students say I am agree instead of I agree. because they're using their native language, translating it directly into English, which just doesn't work. In English, agree is a verb, so we don't add an in front of a verb. It is a doing word. More examples. She explained me the lesson. No. She explained the lesson to me. I am studying actually. I am studying now. Actually means in fact, not now. Tip. Don't translate directly word for word from your native language into English when it comes to prepositions. I would really recommend you just learning the combination of instead and listening to a lot of sitcoms and TV shows so you know how your brain know how they work. Always double check if your sentence is a direct translation because English often uses a different sentence structure. That's it for today, guys. These are the 5 common mistakes that you can fix today. Write down the mistakes in the comments that you've made before so others know that they're not alone while learning English. And also, please give it a thumbs up, like, share with your friends who are also learning English so they can get better too. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye!